To create movie in gallery in Samsung Galaxy S20, open gallery, tap gallery. If you cannot find gallery in the home screen, you can open from app screen, swipe up or the home screen to access the app screen, and then select gallery. Tap more icon or three dot icon, and then select create. Tap movie, and then select image. You want to create movie, for example this image, and then tap movie. You can adjust picture, add or remove picture. So add picture, tap done, or you can to remove, tap minus icon in picture you want to remove, or you can also change transition, for example. Or enter your text, for example title, movie title, description, you can also change title or description style, or add or remove music. And then tap save if you finish. Saving movie. Just wait until process complete. Just save it in DCM video. Fails to see. In video. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.